cosplay world, it is extremely common to use wood filler as a coating or filling or various finishing material for our cosplay needs. Now, I think I go over in a few other videos some of the basics here, but I think I'm going to go into, well, using it as a coating and some tips there as well. So, first and foremost, please do not use it with flexible material. It will probably not stick to it for very long before cracking and falling off. Use it with rigid foams and some harder materials such as this plastic, so that it lasts a reasonably long time. Additionally, it sticks fairly well when you have a nice porous surface, so sand it up or have a material that it can bite into in some regard, so that it can hold on to the surface. You want to give it a little bit of time to cure. I know it dries reasonably quickly, but I would give it around 24 hours at the very least to fully cure, because if we try and seal it and paint it and make a finished project the same day we put it on, chances are there's going to be moisture in it, and so that moisture is going to build up under the surface of the paint and can lead to various defects in the quality of the paint job. And we generally do not want that. Otherwise, it stings fairly easily, and it's not hard to repair even when it does take con damage. As the coatings go, it's one of my favorites. I use it regularly. Thanks for watching. Good times to all. Rah! If you like this video, we have a matching video on finalcosplaycore.com. Click the link in the description to check it out.